Welcome to this comprehensive guide on cloud computing. In this video, we will explore software as a service, platform as a service, infrastructure as a service, and various cloud services that power modern businesses today. Cloud computing is the delivery of computing resources over the internet instead of using local hardware or physical data centers. Rather than buying expensive servers and storing data on your computer, you can access everything you need online. The best part is you only pay for what you use, making it a cost-effective solution for businesses of all sizes. There are three primary ways to use cloud services. Infrastructure as a service provides virtualized computing resources like servers and storage. Platform as a service gives you tools and environments to build applications. Software as a service delivers ready-to-use applications that you access directly through your web browser. Each model offers different levels of control and management. Cloud computing has several defining characteristics. First, it offers on-demand access, meaning resources are available whenever you need them without any physical interaction. Second, it provides global accessibility, so you can access services from anywhere in the world as long as you have internet. Third, it offers scalability, allowing you to easily increase or decrease your resources based on your current needs. Let me clarify the differences between these three models. With infrastructure as a service, you have maximum control. You manage your applications and data while the provider handles the infrastructure. Platform as a service offers a middle ground. You focus on your applications and data while the provider manages both the infrastructure and the development platform. Software as a service gives you minimal control. The provider manages everything, and you simply use the application through your web browser. Cloud computing offers numerous advantages. First is cost efficiency. You eliminate expensive upfront investments in servers and reduce ongoing maintenance costs. Second is performance. Cloud providers offer powerful computing resources that are immediately available with minimal delays. Third is security. Enterprise-grade cloud providers implement robust security measures, encryption, and comply with industry regulations to protect your data. Cloud services can be deployed in different ways. Public cloud means resources are shared among multiple organizations and managed by third-party providers. It is the most affordable option. Private cloud is dedicated to a single organization, offering enhanced security and control, but it requires higher costs and maintenance responsibility. Companies choose based on their security requirements and budget constraints. Hybrid cloud combines the benefits of both public and private clouds. It allows data and applications to move seamlessly between public and private infrastructure. This approach is useful when you want to keep sensitive data on private servers while using public cloud for less critical workloads. Hybrid cloud also provides disaster recovery capabilities, handles unexpected traffic spikes, and gives organizations maximum flexibility. While cloud computing offers many benefits, there are challenges to consider. Security and privacy require careful attention since data is stored on remote servers. You must ensure proper encryption and compliance with regulations. Downtime and availability can impact your business since you depend on internet connectivity. Finally, cost management requires monitoring to avoid unexpected bills from overusing resources. Cloud computing has become essential for modern businesses. Choose infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, or software as a service based on how much control and management you need. Cloud enables rapid deployment and allows organizations to scale globally. Hybrid and multi-cloud strategies provide flexibility and resilience. Remember that security and cost management require careful planning and ongoing monitoring to maximize your cloud investment.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.